When times are tough, when you feel alone, tired, broken, or defeated. This is when you need real hope, to be a part of something bigger than yourself, to have a community that carries one another's burdens, to join with neighbors arm in arm to make a difference. And you can find that and so much more right here in church. A place to belong, to be renewed, where you can find support and answers to life's deepest questions. And most importantly, hope. The hope that can only be found in Christ. So welcome to church. Expect great things because hope is here.